Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that is water damaged, and let's see if we can fix this one. So let's get right into it. So the customer brought this iPhone 13 Pro Max saying that there's a bit of water inside the smartphone and it has been damaged. And so far, we haven't been able to turn this phone on. And David is starting the disassembly by removing the two pentalobe screws on both sides of the charging port. You need to have a specific tool for this one. And look at this. It's turned on and it looks like a sunset. It's too orange and it's a gradient and it's not working. It's not gonna be usable. If we open this and find something, then we'll work from there. We're gonna try to remove the display. The display is cooked, definitely cooked. It's cracked also. You can see there David is just prying it open. You have to lift it up on one side. See here, this is the part where you lift it on the right side. Then put that on a 90-degree orientation. You can see the battery and the chip, the A15 chip. We're also going to remove the adhesive on the left side so that we can remove this display. So before we can remove the display, we're going to remove these retaining clips and brackets held on by tiny screws. We're going to detach the battery. This one is the connector and two connectors for the display. Another bracket to be removed. See there, have to unscrew them. Put that to the side and detach another connector. So right now we're going to remove this component. Of course, it's a serialized part. If you don't transfer this, it's going to give you error messages about the Face ID or something about the display. And I believe this has not been repaired before. So we have to retain all the parts that we can from the original assembly. It's held on by adhesives. On the iPhone 11s, this component is rather thick. This version of iPhone uses this very thin but very flimsy, easy to break. I believe this is for the Face ID or the True Tone. I'm not sure, but you have to transfer it to the new display. We have a new display right here, and the display, I believe, is the only thing that got damaged when this iPhone had an adventure with water. So yeah, we'll test it out so we can confirm if the water damaged other components. Then we will know after this test. I'm gonna attach the display. Used to be a lot of connections from the display to the main board. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is simpler, and I believe that's a good thing. We're gonna reconnect the battery and test it if it's gonna turn on or throw tantrums to us. Long press power button. Nope, it's not giving us anything. We'll plug it in, charge it up, see if that works. So if you have a damaged iPhone, definitely have it checked. If you have Apple Care, go to Apple. If you don't have Apple Care, then go to your local service technician or head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. David will give you a free check on the iPhone that you have, And of course, we are gonna replace, if in this case the screen is the only thing that get damaged, we are gonna replace it for a fraction of the cost. And Apple, whenever you go to them, you just have to buy a new iPhone. That's how they do business. And especially on this iPhone 13 Pro Max, this is old news. We have the iPhone 16 now, and this is 3 gen older. So that's the unfortunate truth. And David is keeping these still usable, perfectly fine devices out of the landfills and saving you a lot of money. If you buy another iPhone 16, that's going to be $1,000 out of your pocket. If you get a new display, 100, 200, $300, that's just insane value. And you can still reuse your same iPhone. You can still have your data with you. You don't have to sacrifice anything. It's saving money, it's more convenient, and of course, it saves the environment. We're gonna close this phone now. It's good to go. Cameras are okay. Touchscreen, it's like nothing happened. So we're just gonna clean this up, give it tempered glass. It's wobbling all over the table because of the camera hump, but that's okay. This is a happy iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Like and subscribe. We release new videos every day, and this is the before and after. Take care, and we'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.